Okie dokie, black and white. How wonderful. By the way, guys, you probably saw on the spinny wheel there on the right hand side was a list of things that are on the wheel. If you want me to add anything or take anything off the wheel, please let me know in the comments. So, black and white. And as you can see here, I have got an array of black and white things. I've got some large jumbo cards over there. I have a little pocket. I've got some nursery rhymes that I got out of a nursery rhyme book. Froggy Boggy and Oh Where Is My Little Dog and all that jazz in there. We have some Kleenex tissue box with Mr. Doodle on the back. And we have all sorts of things in here. I've got some frames, black frames, some little cutouts and all sorts of stuff. What I thought we could do today, guys, is have a look at different things you can do with black and white, because black and white doesn't have to be boring at all. You can still collage with it, you can still make tags with it, you can do all sorts of stuff and things. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Okay. You can also do art with it, like Zentangle is a good example of black and white. This is my little pad where I'm doing a cross between Zentangle and Doodles. This is just done with a Sharpie pen. And if you can see on this one, it's not finished. You can see how I've actually started to do it. Beautiful, beautiful art. You can do that. You can cut it up into tags. You can stick it on things. You can collage with it. That is one other idea you can do with black and white. This is my art book that I made myself. And inside the first couple of pages, you will see that I've got a blank black sheet and also another blank black sheet and a white sheet here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one out and we're going to collage on here. Then in the second part of the video, we're going to be making some altered jumbo cards. Just a quick note on using copyrighted things in your artwork, guys, and collaging and journals. If you're making items for yourself, you don't need to worry, skip ahead. But if you're making items for sale on eBay or Etsy, things like this is copyrighted. This design is copyrighted. Things in a book with illustrations are copyrighted. Even in some cases, the text will be copyrighted. That's copyrighted. Even the inside of an old envelope, this pattern here is copyrighted. Okay, guys? Also, playing cards. You might not think so, but this design here is copyrighted. And the backs of playing cards, the design is copyrighted. So if your example, you're going to use a playing card to make a tag to sale, don't use the pictures. Use these and make sure the back is completely covered. And don't use anything like this for sale products. If you're making them for yourself, that's totally fine. But you can't use other people's designs and illustrations, even when it comes to cards, for making new products to sell. Just a little heads up. So with that in mind, I've gone ahead and made my own printables. So they have my copyright on and they're available on Patreon with a commercial license. So you don't have to worry. Some of them are also available free. And you can see here I've made something similar to that inside of the envelope, but it's actually my design. We've got designs like music and rose. This one has got the vintage look to it. We've got music and circles. We've gone ahead and done some playing cards with the spades and clubs. Got some more roses and circles. Beautiful, beautiful. And some circles with some spades on. And I've also gone ahead and made some things that you can write on as well, like little journaling spaces. So I'll be using some of that today. Again, guys, there's a pack of prints available on Patreon. There's also some free prints. And I believe that one is one of the 5 in the free prints available on Facebook and Patreon too. So you don't have to worry about copyright and issues like that. This first one, because I love cats, I'm not going to cut it up. I'm just going to trim it to fit here. I do have some more black and white washi tape, which I'm going to put at the top of the bottom. So I'm going to do that later. The main 2 pieces we're going to concentrate on today are these 2, and we're going to rip up some of those lovely prints and we're going to do some collaging with some glue, with some all sorts of different stuff and things in a speed collage, and then later on we'll go and do the cards. And there we go, everybody. 2 altered playing cards, jumbo cards, a nice collage with the prints, writing space, and some matching washi tape. Just nice to slip into your journals. And of course our collages. I still got to stick my cat in there. I will do that later. Now, you can probably tell I was really into the grunge when I was doing this. I got in my grunge head on. So I went really to town with the grunge on this one. And then I thought to myself, I'll do one that isn't quite as grungy on that side. So my idea is we're starting off like black, going a bit lighter into the white. Then this page will be more white than black. And around the bottom, I'm going to do colour. So not everything in life is black and white. And we're going to go straight into all the colour, which is all my doodles and all the other stuff that I do in there. Lots of different stuff. I will put this sheet up on Facebook as well. I printed it out in the middle of doing this. I haven't uploaded it yet, but I will do. So you'll find Not Everything in Life is Black and White over on Facebook as well, in the print section. Or spin the wheel. So there we go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you very, very much for watching. Please drop me a like. If you have, leave me some lovely comments. And we'll see you soon, guys. Wonder what's going to be on the wheel next month. Happy crafting.